Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. All categories of fuel will see declines effective tomorrow. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $4.50 less. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will see a $4.50 drop, their largest decline since the start of the year. Kerosene will also sell for $4.50 less. Propane will go down by 25 cents, while butane will decline by $1.49. Oil prices settled sharply lower today, slumping below levels seen prior to Russia's invasion of Ukraine. The drop is driven by downbeat Chinese trade data, which have left investors worried about recession risks. Brent crude futures settled down $4.83 to $88 a barrel, falling below $90 a barrel for the first time since February 8. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude settled down $4.94 to $81.94, its lowest since January. Productive Business Solutions says it continues to see strident growth as it recovers from the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. The company's CEO says it's eyeing expansion as it seeks to raise capital via the stock market through preference shares. Javon Keys reports.
Technology businesses saw mixed results due to the COVID-19 pandemic, but while demand for some products increased, supply chain issues restricted growth. Productive Business Solutions is no different, but things have been bouncing back.
Depending on the line of business and depending on the country, we see the recovery happening. And it's a lot of work to be done in the coming months. We have unique opportunities. At the same time, we have unique challenges. And we are very positive that, as an example, we have more than 500 ATMs on order. We have 3,000 multifunctional devices that are still or swimming or have not departed the plants, and we have a lot of supplies constraints, and we have delays in certain manufacturers due to the semiconductor challenges.
PBS's CEO Pedro Paris says by the end of the third quarter, the company expects things to normalize. Part of the company's planned strategy is expansion, and its offer of preference shares in both US and Jamaican dollars is to aid that process.
We expect to raise $17 million in combination of 1.6 billion Jamaican dollars and $11 million US dollars.
The offer is expected to close on Friday. PBS will issue $1 million cumulative redeemable preference shares at a fixed rate of 9.25% per annum, going at $10 each share. At 1,000 Jamaican dollars each, 150,000 cumulative redeemable Jamaican dollar preference shares are being sold at a fixed rate of return of 10.5% per year. Mr. Paris says the company plans to retain some of the capital raised for new opportunities which may arise.
We are constantly exploring acquisitions, and some of these, as I said before, may or may not happen. We tend to think that the ones that we have, we're working right now, they're a good fit to improve the configuration of the company. And you never know what led us ahead of us.
Mr. Paris says the company plans to retain some of the capital raised for new opportunities which may arise. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
Now to news on foreign currency trading. The US dollar is being sold for an average $152.34. $115.10 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, while the pound is being sold for an average $173.97. It's costing an average $155.27 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index gained 1,179 points today, while the junior market index rose by 2 points. Among the winners, Trans-Jamaican Highway, Access Financial Services, Palace Amusement, CAC 2000 and 1834 Investments. The losers were led by Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, Siboney Group, JMMB Group 7.5%, Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica and Cygnus Real Estate Financial Jamaican dollar shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.